What set apart an achiever from a non-achiever, an achiever, they have the heart of the champion. Now, I want to tell you this. I want you to show what kind of heart do you have. Tell the person beside you, I have the heart of a champion.
I have the heart of a champion.
I will not fail.
I will not fail.
I will achieve.
I will achieve.
And I will succeed.
I will succeed.
Okay, thank you very much. Sit down. Power. Grabe. You know, ladies and gentlemen, what I want to say tonight is that having the heart of a champion is really different from an ordinary person. Can you look at the person beside you? Do you think he or she has whatever it takes to become a champion?
Yes.
I can hear the people at the back.
Yes.
All right. First topic. Well, previously I have prepared a topic for you, but for tonight I changed my topic simply because I've heard the testimony of Sylvia. Can you clap your hands for Sylvia? I automatically changed my topic. Why? Because I think this is more appropriate for you guys. Heart of a champion. What is the heart of a champion? First, they are tough. Can you tell the person beside you, tough? Can you show what's the meaning of tough by showing your face doing this? Come on, show it to the person beside you. I am tough. When you say stop, when you say tough, you are strong. If you want to become a champion, you have to be strong by your heart. You get what I'm saying? I remember a story about three generals. They were talking inside a warship. And the first general is a British. The second general is an American. And the third general is a Russian. So they were talking about who's tougher. Their soldiers or the other soldier. They're talking about their soldiers. So, you know, of course, the Russian spoke. He said, my soldiers are tough. You want to see them? He called one soldier, soldier, Russian soldier, come over here. And the Russian soldier came. Sir, yes, sir. They were at the Atlantic Ocean. Imagine this. The warship is in the Atlantic Ocean. He said, the Russian general said, soldier, you see that ocean? Yeah, yes, sir. I want you to jump into the ocean and swim around the ship. And the soldier didn't ask anything. He immediately followed the general and he jumped to the freezing water. You know what? It was freezing cold. But he jumped and he swam around the ship. After he finished it, the general said, now, that is tough. That. And then the American soldier said, you say that tough? That's nothing. American soldier, come over here, said the American general. The American soldier said, sir, yes, sir. You see the water? Sir, yes, sir. You jump into the water and swim around the ship for 7 times. The American soldier jumped at once and swim around the ship. You know what? He was almost dying. He was already tired, but because it was so cold. But you know what? He was able to finish it. Why? Because he's following the general. You know, the American general said, no, that is tough. Can you top that? Then here comes the British. What was the first one? British, right? And here comes the Russian was the first one. Then the British general said, you say that tough? That's nothing. British soldier, come over here. The British soldier came. Sir, yes, sir. You see that water? Yes, sir, yes, sir. You jump into the water and swim around the ship 20 times and then go under the ship. The British soldier said, what? Are you crazy? You want me to jump into the water? That's freezing cold. I might die. And I'm going to swim around 20 times and I'm going under? You're crazy. And he turned around. The British general said, now that is tough. Huh? The 2 soldiers are afraid of you. I'm afraid of you. But me, he's not afraid of me. That is tough. Do you get what I'm saying? You want to be tough? Ladies and gentlemen, out there, a lot of people will tell you a lot of words. They will tell you, you can't do it. They will tell you, you will fail. But if you will tough, the second thing is, you will be resilient. Tell the person beside you, resilient.
Resilient.
What is resilient? You will be able to bounce back even after you fall. Ladies and gentlemen, guys, friends, partners, this business is not easy, believe me. There will be a lot of trials. You will face a lot of obstacles. We're not telling you that this is an easy ride. No, no way. A lot of us will experience hardship. But I tell you this, if you want to have a heart of a champion, you must be able to bounce back even after you fall. Yes, you will fall. A lot of times you will fail. But remember this is your last card. AIM Global will help you to reach your dreams. AIM Global will help you to achieve your future. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to be resilient. And finally, to be able to have a heart of a champion, you must be decisive. Tell the person beside you, decisive.
Decisive.
Decisive, able to decide, the quality, the power to decide at once. I'm going to tell this in Tagalog because it's better said in Tagalog. Probably in English. If you're going to decide, you have to decide 100%. Pag ikaw nasa AIM Global ka, hindi pwedeng urong-sulong. Pag pumasok ka, diretso. Hindi ka dapat titigil. Bakit? Pag tumigil ka, sayang lahat ng pagod mo. Sayang lahat ng oras mo. Nandito ka na sa AIM Global, ituloy-tuloy mo na ito, kaibigan. Total, nagpapagapagod ka na rin lang dito sa abroad. Bakit hindi mo na isagad-sagad dahil nasa AIM Global ka na? You get what I'm saying? You have to be decisive. You must have that heart of a champion. Finally, I remember this story about a mouse. This is better said again in Tagalog. You translate it to people beside you who are foreigners, okay? Meron isang daga. Itong dagang to, araw-araw, paggising niya, sarap ng buhay niya. You know why? Kasi tuwing lalabas siya ng lungga, yung may-ari ng bahay na kanyang tinitirhan, pagkatapos kumain, kinakain niya yung mga tirang pagkain. Ibig sabihin, kung anong ulam nila, yun ang ulam niya. Ang sarap ng buhay niya. Bakit? Hindi niya na kailangan magluto. Kung anong pagkain nila, kakainin niya. You know what? Every day, ganun ang buhay niya. Ang problema, araw-araw din, tuwing lalabas siya ng lungga, may nakaabang na pusa. So bago siya makakain, buhay niya ang nakataya. Bakit? Kasi habulin siya ng pusa. Kaya wala siyang choice. Kaya sa loob siya ng bahay at maghanap siya ng pagkain, mas marami na mapapatay sa kanya. So tinis niya yun. Until one day, alam mo sabi niya, nag-pray siya, gamitin na natin, Fairy Godmother. Fairy Godmother, sabi niya, sawang-sawa na ako maging daga. Pwede ba bukas, gusto ko maging pusa? You know what happened? The following day, dahil sobrang prayer niya, you know what? Naging pusa siya. Paglabas siya ng lungga, nakita yung sarili niya, pusa siya. Nagsalita siya, meow, pusa nga. Nakita niya yung kapwa niya pusa, hindi siya inabol. At mas maliksi pa siya. Mas mataas ang natatalon niya. Mas marami siya nakakain. Napakasarap ng buhay niya. Sabi niya, gusto ko itong buhay nito. Ang hindi niya alam, yung may-ari ng bahay ay may mga alagang aso. Napagkatapos kumain, yung mga aso, ipinapasok niya sa loob ng bahay para pakainin. Imagine yung mga kaibigan, araw-araw, bago siya kumain, inuunahan siya ng aso. At hinahabol siya ng aso, hindi titigil hanggat nakikita siya. Buhay niya ang nakataya. Until one day, nagsawa na naman siya. Alam mo sabi niya, ayoko nang maging pusa. Pwede ba? Pwede maging aso ako? Alam mo, narinig na naman. The following day, paggising niya, aso siya. Sabi niya, bakit? Uy, aso ako ah. Uy, aso nga. Pinasok yung mga aso, hindi siya inabol. Bagkus, nilapitan pa siya. Inamoy pa yung likod niya. Sabi niya, sarap ng buhay ko. At ang masarap pa nito, yung pagkain, ino-offer pa sa kanya. Hindi niya kailangan hanapin binibigay pa ng may-ari. Ang sarap ng buhay niya. Ang di niya alam, yung mga alagang aso, yung may-ari pala ng bahay, ay mga ngahoy. Bago mangahoy, lahat ng aso, dinadala niya sa kagubatan. Bakit? Kasi maraming leon. Iyon ang nilalaban, yung mga aso doon sa mga sangkatutak na leon. Ang lalaki ng leon, araw-araw, ang kaharap niya, leon. Isang araw, nagsawa na naman siya. Alam mo sabi niya? Fairy godmother, ayoko na maging aso. Gawin mo kong leon, the king of the jungle. I want to become a lion. You know what the following day? He became a lion. Once he was a lion, he was so happy. You know why? Because he is the king of the jungle. He feared nothing. What if he wants to eat something, he can eat it. You know what happened? He has a very good life. But one day, every night, there are hunters who kill lions. There are people who kill lions. So every day, every night, he always run for his life. Why? Because there are hunters who wants to kill him. Until finally one day, nagsawa na naman po. Sabi niya, ayoko na maging leon. Pwede ba? Gawin mo akong tao. Make me a man. The following day, nagulat siya. Alam niyo nangyari sa kanya? Naging daga ulit siya. Bakit nagdaga siya? Okay na yun. Ba't naging daga ako? Alam mo, lumabas yung fairy godmother. Alam mo sabi sa kanya? Kwento lang ko ito. Alam mo sabi sa kanya? Alam mo, kahit gawin kitang pusa, kahit gawin kitang aso, kahit gawin kitang leon, kahit gawin kitang tao, kung ang puso mo ay daga, daga ka pa din. You can never turn a stone into gold. If you are a gold, you will always be a gold. If you are a champion, you will always be a champion. Mga kaibigan, madaming tao nangangarap. Sana noon ko pa nakita ng global. Maraming nagsasabi, sana nasa left ko, si Jerjan Gonzalez, nasa right ko, si Arnel Limpin. Upline ko, si June Espinosa. Alam mo yung daming pangarap na ganun, sana. It will never happen. Not unless you decide on your own. You make your own story. Alam mo, may nagsasabi pa ng iba. Sabi pa nila, gusto ko maging katulad ni Jan Asperin, Mr. Excitement, Power. Gusto ko maging kamukha pa niya. Imagine, pati mukha ko, pinangarap niya. Alam mo ito, sabihin ko sa'yo, kahit magbago pa ang itsura mo, hindi po ang pagising mo. Pagtingin mo sa salamin, mukha mo nakita mo. Mukha ko nakita mo. Magugulat ka talaga, Jan Asperin. Grabe ba? Guwapo ah! Ha? Kahit mukha ko ang mapunta sa mukha mo, hindi ka pa rin magiging Jan Asperin kung ang puso mo ay hindi katulad ni Jan Asperin. You change your heart. You become a heart. You must have the heart of a champion. You are a leader. If you are a leader, stand up on your feet. Stand up on your feet. And tell the person beside you, I am a leader. I am a champion. I will succeed. I will not fail. I will prevail. Tell the person beside you, this year, magiging global ambassador ako. This year, magiging Millionaires Club member ako. Good morning and thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the reason why we are here, our President, Dr. Ed Cabanto. Mahina